Hello, I'm Admiral Brian Christine, and I'm honored to serve as the 18th Assistant Secretary for Health at the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. As Assistant Secretary for Health, my mission is to strengthen the health of every American. Our nation is facing historic levels of chronic disease, and our administration will work every day to end this epidemic. Addressing these challenges means focusing on prevention, on transparency, and always putting patients at the center of every decision. I am also proud to lead the U.S. Public Health Service Commission Corps, which is one of our nation's 8 uniformed services and the only uniformed service that is focused solely on protecting, promoting, and advancing the health and safety of the nation. I am deeply, deeply grateful for the trust placed in me by President Donald Trump and Secretary Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Together, we are committed to restoring trust in public health, to radical transparency, and helping to make America healthy again. By working together, we can make a difference. Bless you all, and thank you.
Produced by the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services.